According to Ayurveda, health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely an absence or infirmity. Panchakarma, the healthy healing for better life. It is the detoxification of the body. In Panchakarma, there are 5 actions for the 5 procedures used to intensively cleanse and restore balance to the body. And they are Vamana, Virechana, Niruhavasti, Nasya, Anuvasanavasti. These procedures aim at plucking away the deep-rooted imbalances in the body. Panchakarma has 5 sub-procedures, and they are Pindashveda, Dhara or Pidichil, Shirodhara, Shirobasti, Abhyanga. Let us see these procedures in detail. Pindashveda, a combination of massage and sweat therapy. Pindashveda is one of the most important sedation therapies used in Panchakarma. Patients' body are uniformly massaged with a cotton bundle called kiri, dipped in a medicated oil. The cloth-wrapped kiri is filled special rice cooked in milk and a herbal mixture. Dhara or Pidichil. Dhara treatments are an effective form of relaxation therapies in Ayurveda. The treatment involves creating streams of herbal oils, medicated milk or buttermilk on various body parts. And there is Sarvanga Dhara or whole body. The Sarvanga Dhara means stream pouring of lukewarm medicated liquids over the whole body. Shirodhara, a deeply relaxing procedure, involves continuous stream of herbal oils or herbal concoctions on the forehead and scalp. Shirodhara is an extremely popular therapy for stress management, relaxation, and rejuvenation. This therapy works as a reset button for your mind and body. Shirodhara does wonders in diseases where stress is involved, like digestive disorders, anxiety, depression, autoimmune disorders, hormonal imbalances, sleep issues, and many more. Basti. Ayurvedic treatment Basti is an intensely soothing and effective treatment in which lukewarm, herbal medicated oil is applied on the lower back with the help of black gram flour dough. Ayurvedic practitioners follow a holistic approach and focus at restoring all the body functions when dealing with back pain and musculoskeletal diseases. Basti is highly effective therapy in relieving back pain due to muscle spasm and injury of the lower spine. Abhyanga. Abhyanga is a massage that's done with warm oil. The oil is applied on the entire body, from the scalp to the soles of your feet. The oils used will be suitable for the constitutional needs. The use of the herbalized oils with specific benefits and specific techniques. Abhyanga helps to provide relaxation and pain relieving at the same time. Long relaxing strokes, triggers at pressure points, and other strokes that can be addressed stiffness. Abhyanga provides lubrication to skin, improves circulation, reduces stiffness, and provides calmness.